I was asked the question, how do I feel one with the universe? Well, look up at the sky and you see the blue sky and the clouds. Or perhaps it's the night sky and you see the stars. You see what appears to be the most far away objects, stars and galaxies that are millions of light years away. But in order to know that, you have to imagine and think about it. You have to superimpose a concept of time and space over the top to create the idea of distance. You say, that is far away, that is an object trillions of miles out there and fundamentally not me. But the distance isn't actually experienced in reality. You create it with your mind. For all you know, what you could be seeing is a projection on a screen, and the physical distance doesn't actually exist. Yes, there is distance relatively. There is distance in the story, in the concepts, in time, in your mind. But there is none ultimately. Not in your raw experience. There is no distance between the known and the knowing. The screen and the movie are one. When you see reality for what it is, without the layers of abstraction and concepts, there is just this pure immediacy, this pure isness. But let's add a layer of concepts into this and acknowledge the idea of distance, space and time on a relative level. Take the analogy of an ocean. You have waves which we conceptualize as separate forms, and then you have the single underlying reality of the ocean. What we call a wave is a concept we layer over the top, a form that we pick out and say is a separate thing. But in reality, there is nothing to the wave other than the ocean. Then you have yourself and others, which you conceptualize as separate forms. And then you have the single underlying reality of the universe, the single isness, this single substratum of reality that appears as all the forms. What you call yourself is an idea you layer over the top of your experience. In reality, the isness that you are and the underlying reality you're made out of is identical to that of the whole universe. You are the whole universe appearing as this temporary, limited experience. You're so powerful that you can appear to yourself as a human in apparent space and time. Schopenhauer said, "The universe is one great dream, dreamed by a single being, but in such a way that all the dream characters dream too. And you are one with the dream." Peace.